Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about units of measure in Tally. Here, what is a unit of measure? In Tally, whenever we are going to maintain accounts with inventory, in such case, there will be a stock items. Stock item is nothing but anything that we purchase or sold on the basis of quantity. Whatever you purchase or whatever you sell, that has to be in some quantity. For example, suppose if you are going to sell a cloth, in such case the cloth will be measured in meters. Suppose you are going to sell any liquid items like petrol, diesel, such things can be sold on the basis of quantity called liters. Like that, anything or any stock item that are purchased or sold on the basis of quantity. Here, the quantity is measured by units. Hence, it is very much necessary to create units of measure before going to buy or sell or before going to enter any sales or purchase voucher in Tally. Now, let us discuss how to create units of measure. Here in Tally, under Gateway of Tally, we have accounts info and inventory info under masters. Here to create a unit of measure, we have to select inventory info under Gateway of Tally. When you select inventory info under Gateway of Tally, you can see inventory info menu. Here we can see various options like stock group, stock category, stock item, units of measure, voucher type, copy allocation details, and quit. Here to create units of measure, we have to select units of measure. When you select units of measure, under this we can see different options, that is create, display, alter, and quit. Here we can see only two options are active, that is create and quit, because we have not created any of the units of measure, so the display and alter options are not visible here. So to create a units of measure, here click on create. When you select or click on create, automatically you can see the units creation screen. It is a unit creation screen. Here we come across four things. The first one is type, the second one is symbol, third one is formal name, and fourth one is number of decimal places. Here suppose you are going to create a units of measure called kilograms. For that, what we can do is under symbol we have to mention the symbol for that kilogram. For kilogram, we are going to type it as kg. Usually we write kg for kilograms. The formal name, here the formal name is nothing but that is a full name of the symbol that we have typed already. That is, here we have typed kg. The formal name for that kg is kilograms. Then number of decimal places. Depending on the unit you have created, you have to specify the decimal places. Here we can specify two decimal places because 1.5 kg, 1.75 kg, like that we can add in units of measure. So for kilograms we can specify two decimal places. Then after that, press enter key. Then it will ask you to accept yes or no. Here to accept, we can click, we can press the Y or we can press enter key. Then the unit is created. Again, to create another unit of measure, the same procedure has to be followed. Here under Gateway of Tally, go to Inventory Info. Then under Inventory Info, select Units of Measure. Then under Units of Measure, select Create. The unit creation screen opens. Here I am going to mention bag, units of measure bag. For example, suppose if you are selling or buying any cement bags, then such cases we can have the symbol bag. Here for symbol I am typing it as a BG, and formal name I type here as bag, and number of decimal places I'll keep it 0 because we can buy bags in only the whole numbers, that is we can buy one bag, two bag, three bag, like that. We cannot buy 1.5 bag, 1.25 bag. That is not possible here. Because of that reason, the number of decimal places, I'll mention 0 here. After that, just to press enter key. Then again it will ask you to accept. Here you can press Y key, or else you can press enter key to accept. Now we have created two units of measure, that is one kg and the second one is bag. Now press escape till you go to gateway of tally. Here, to check the units of measure we have created, what we need to do is under gateway of tally, go to inventory info, and in inventory info, go to units of measure. Then after that, there is an option called display. Select display. Here it will show the list of units which are created. We have created two units. One is BG and another one is kg. BG means bag and kg is a kilogram. Which unit of measure you want to view, select that and press enter key. Then unit display screen opens on the screen. For selected unit, I have selected kg, so it is opening. Here under display option, just we can view the unit. We cannot modify or change anything. Suppose if we want to modify, we have to choose alter option. Let us see how this alter option works. Again press escape till you see the gateway of tally. Here, suppose if you want to modify any of the unit of measure, what we need to do is go to inventory info under gateway of tally. Here select units of measure, and here select the third option called alter. Under alter, suppose if you want to change or modify any of these units of measure, select a unit of measure from the list. I am selecting kg and press enter key. The unit alteration screen opens. Here you can make any modifications. Here instead of kg you can type anything, or formal name also. Instead of kilogram you can just type it as kilo. Then decimal places, instead of 2 you can make it as 1. The 1 is wrong, but I am just saying this how to modify. Okay, after that press enter key. Again it will ask you to accept. Then press enter or Y to accept. Here the modification has been done. To view whether the modification has been done or not, again go to inventory info under gateway of tally. Then go to units of measure. Then display, select kg and press enter key. See that kilogram, we have changed it into kilo, so it has been changed it into kilo here. Okay, then again if you want to make it as kilogram, the same procedure has to be followed. Go to gateway of tally, inventory info, then units of measure, go to alter, then the created units of measure displayed on the screen. Here you select kg and press enter key. Unit alteration screen opens. Here you make the necessary modifications. Just I am changing formal name into kilograms. Then press enter, and again at the end you have to accept by pressing Y or enter key. The changes has been made. Now to delete the unit of measure, the procedure is again under gateway of tally you go to inventory info. Then here you select units of measure, and under this, to delete, we cannot see any delete option here. Only create, display and alter will be there. To delete also we have to choose alter option. Here select alter. Then which unit you want to delete, select that unit. For example, I am going to delete BG. You select this unit and press enter key. Now we can see the unit of measure in unit alteration screen. Here press alt D, the key alt D to delete. Alt D is a shortcut key to delete. Here it will ask for confirmation. Here you can press enter key or Y to delete. Now that BG unit has been deleted, so we can see only one unit, that is kg. Again, to create a unit of measure, go to inventory info under gateway of tally, then unit of measure, create. I am going to create a BG, that is bag. Press Y or enter at the end to accept. Now we have created the units of measure. Two units of measure we have created. Here, one more thing I want to say is the units of measure are of two types. Okay, under gateway of tally, go to inventory info, then go to units of measure. When you click on create option, we can see the type is simple here. The type is simple by default. Whenever you are going to create a unit of measure, it will show the type as simple. Suppose if we want to change it, there are two types of units of measure. One is simple and another one is compound. To change this simple into compound, just press backspace. Here we can see two options, that is compound and simple. Here you select compound to create a compound unit of measure. Before going to create a compound unit of measure, the compound unit of measure is nothing but it is a relation between two simple units which have been already created. The compound unit of measure is nothing but a relation between two simple units of measure. For example, I am going to select here a compound. Now we can see the first unit, that is I am going to select it as a bag, that is busy. Of conversion means we have to select 25, then second unit of measure is kg. See, when I have selected first unit of measure as bg, the conversion of 25, second unit of measure is kg, means here one bag is equal to 25 kgs. Here compound we have selected, and whenever we have selected compound, we can see the options called first unit, conversion, and second unit. Here the first unit I am going to select bg, that is bag of 25 kg. Whenever there is a 25 kg bag is there, then that is compound unit of measure. Suppose at the time of entering, we can enter in terms of bags. Suppose if you enter 3 bags, then it indicates that 25 into 3, 75 kgs of material is present in our godown. This is how we are going to create the compound unit of measure. The first unit is bag of 25, then kg. Here press Y to accept. Like this we are going to create the compound unit of measure. To display, then again same procedure. Go to inventory info under gateway of tally, then units of measure, display. Here we can see three units of measure. One is bag and kg. These two are bag and kg are the simple units of measure, and this is a compound unit of measure because it is a combination of two simple units. One bag is equals to 25 kgs. Like this we can create units of measure in tally. This is about creating units of measure in tally.